As a part of our entrepreneurship development project, we were asked to find out an entrepreneur whom we found successful and innovative and conduct an interview. Even though we came across a list of entrepreneurs in our country, it was his idea that attracted us most. Sheen Anthony from Thrissur, Kerala, is the chairman and managing director of Pilot Smith Private Limited, which was started in the year 1985. Pilot Smith Private Limited is a company that produces high quality machineries according to the need of the consumers. At the time when he thought of starting such a venture, there were no mechanical innovations that assisted food processing activities in Kerala. His ability to identify such an opportunity and find a solution at that period of time of almost around 35 years ago was something that attracted us most.
Pilot Smith Private Limited are the pioneer in food and Ayurvedic processing equipment manufacturers. Since 1985, they have been catering to the needs of small and large scale industries in India and abroad. The company was closed for a short period due to low demand for the products, but later he restarted the business at the age of 20. They supplied products for the ITC Ashirwad Spices Plant, Achi Masala Company, etc. They even get a chance to export their products to UK, US, etc. He was ready to share his experience and his path of success with us. So let's watch it now.
Mission is to bring more and more equipments into the food industries, which preserves the natural qualities as far as possible, also maintain the processed food having the traditional taste. Initial stage, I got a small finance from my friend, but it was not very big amount. Thereafter, I applied for a bank for the self-employment scheme introduced by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi at that time. I got an amount of 25,000. With that, I started my engineering workshop. Although that amount was also not sufficient enough to start a food machinery manufacturing unit, but I had a good relationship with our clients, which made a confidence for them to give more advance while ordering the machine itself. So, you make use of the advance amount, I was been able to run the industry. Later stages, when my turnover was increased, banks also started funding more and more in the form of overdraft. In the initial stage, myself was also not very sure about the equipment designs and manufacturing procedures, but that we were overcome very soon in 1 year time itself, interacting with our clients and getting good suggestions from them, and also my clients helped me to design good machines, and they also suggested for more and more improvements. Myself and our team of employees was very good in cooperating with the and complying with the new designs. My employees was very cooperating with the production, marketing, also interacting with the clients, and whenever there is some issues comes, they also take equal interest to solve those things. But next challenge was with some clients, that is not their mistake. They are also sometimes startup people coming for inquire the machines without much detailed idea about what to do, how to do. For that cases, we have to solve that issue. We started a demonstration lab where having the facility for giving trials to the clients. While giving the actual trial, they can understand how to handle the production procedure and how to use the equipments, what equipments they exactly needed. That issue is solved with the help of demonstration lab itself. Later, many cases even showing the videos also, they understood how to operate a plant. And third major issue was not this. As usual in India, everybody and all business people normally get disturbed with the bureaucrat issues. For a small industry also, we need to register with sale tax. Sometimes our turnover little bit increases, we have to go with central excise, then PF, ESI, and factory department. Like that, many government departments comes, and most of the cases, the rules and regulations maintained in this department is very age old and may not match with the present industrial requirements, and that may not do good to the industry, but it will not give good to the government also. Even then, those rules are trying to be implemented. For small errors, instead of correcting, they wait to become it is big and putting a big fines on the industry. Main reason for putting the fine is not even for the equivalent amount of the damage they caused, but to attain their targets. For this penalty, if we go to the court, 30% of the penalty amount we need to remit initially for fighting the case itself. So it's a very tough thing for a newcomer to overcome all these bureaucrat issues. That's the major problem. All other things are sensible issues which we can resolve. Other things, mainly government employees make use of the small loopholes to disturb the customers, to the industrial people. Involved in the automation of food and pharma industries. We start from the raw material cleaning, then after cleaning it is graded to segregate good quality, second quality, final quality. For that we have a grading machineries. After grading, normally it takes to drying process or preservation. For that also we have the machinery. Then roasting equipments. After roasting we grind it and blend it. After blending the products, we add any special ingredients if required and pack the product. So we start from cleaning to packing the final product. We also undertake the customization for the special requirement. We are one of the technical partners with government CPCRI, we call it CPCRI, Coconut Research Center at Kasaragod, and we support for a lot of government research institutions like CFTRI, IASR, and many more. We are also patented for many food industrial machineries, especially this in 1990s we introduced food manufacturing mechanized technology, which became very big business in Kerala now. For all the machineries related to that is patented by Pilot Smith, starting from washing of rice, grinding, steaming, roasting, like those many things. We were used to collect address of those who are going to start the industry or already existing industries, those who want to improve their manufacturing technology, or what all those people want to increase the volume of their production. Such companies, we take the addresses and then we contact them by letter. The phone was not very common those days in 1985. From 1990 onwards, we started collecting addresses from industrial department. We collect also addresses from banks, and there were many associations also started for the food industry. So from this association, we will get the address of many food industries who are running good. Pharma also started booming at that time. Pharma means mainly herbal related medical products. For example, Kottakkal Ayurvedishala, Sri Sri Ayurveda, those are our clients. And our speciality is we manufacture equipments for small, very tiny industries to big corporate company like ITC, Ashirwad Spices, then Synthite, then to Hindustan Liver. Like that companies also we are providing equipments, but we are doing more volume of business with small flour mill industries and self-help groups people. Our turnover 50% in the industry in 1985, mainly mouth to mouth we are publishing our equipments. Also try to contact the industries, collecting their addresses from industries department and various associations existing in those industries, collecting their addresses and contacting through letters. We also use a telephone method to canvass the orders, but it was not that common. Phone was not that common during 1985 period. But by letter they were responding in a good manner. From 1990 onwards we started advertising through newspapers. It had also very good response. And there were few industries. Actually in Kerala there were no industry who was doing equipment for food processing industries in a bulk way. So we got a very good enquiry during those times. Even 90% of our quotations issued got sanctioned for the purchase. From 2000 onwards, we started website, and but people was not that familiar about website and evaluating the machinery requirement through that. But we got a very good volume of customers and got reference from customer to customer, and industrial office also supported me for promotion of our industry. Most of the people who start up register with the industries department, and all the loans were sanctioned from the banks after getting the quotation only. So I got a lot of orders through that method also. And small self-employment loans, especially self-employment loan introduced by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, got a very good attraction in the market for the startup people. Our uniqueness is we customize the machineries for individual requirement apart from our regular standard designs. This facility we provide for very small companies, that means a company starting with the investment of 25,000 onwards to very large companies like ITC, Hindustan Liver, Sri Sri Ayurveda. Those companies also we are providing equipments. We don't segregate small clients and large clients, but we provide equipment suiting to individual requirements of small investors as well as large industries. Even ITC Ashirwad Spices first plant was commissioned by Pilot Smith in Nasik. As a business owner, we abide by all the rules and regulations of Government of India and state government. We take social responsibility. We are doing a good volume of CSR activities, and we also support new entrepreneurs by giving them good suggestions and practical methods to procure their raw material and how to market. Such advices also we give to startup entrepreneurs. We are also giving internship to the college students of different sectors they are practicing. Our new plan basically to start, we already started a new food technology institute where we undertake the food formulation, standardization, plant designing, and training for the startup industries. This factory has a facility to give trials for the pharma industrial requirements also. And we also had a unit. We also have a unit with drug license where we can manufacture small volume of herbal products for the incubation purpose. And in our Food Technology Institute, we are running an incubation unit also to produce food products for their small volume marketing requirement and do the market survey. And to a certain level, we can support them with the products until they got established in the market. After that, they can start an industry with the perfect requirement of equipment, perfect requirement of investment and working capital. Thank you. They need to keenly observe the requirements of the society and also themselves evaluate what is their passion and interest of doing the activities matching to the needs of the society. Next thing, they need, when they start the business, they have to be truthful to the society. They should be truthful to their customers and truthful to the government. Thank you.